Walking in through your stunning new front door with the LED lights today and looking down your hallway, Darren Palmer said,
"This is everything that I loved next door."
but with even more finesse.
A lot more finesse.
A lot more finesse.
Shona reckons the whole feeling when you walk in says period home.
Because the beautiful floors, how gorgeous are they? I love a chevron.
The black front door combined with the black frame steel door at the other end.
It sort of bookends it in a very nice, comfortable way. And you've got this beautiful dado rail, very simple cornicing.
And for the first time today, I'm feeling excited.
Yep.
He thinks the space feels elegant, feels expensive, and feels appropriate. Darren was loving it all.
I love the touch point of the coral. I like the curve of the oval shape marble console.
We've walked in and gone, this is amazing. And it's because it's got that door sort of enveloping it. Then you do the Chanel catwalk and you come up here and you go this way and you go, just as good.
Meanwhile, there's a door right there.
Oh, okay.
It's this one thing that's got me dripping. You did this one thing and I was on with it. It's this one thing you do.
It's a pretty hot powder room, I must say. I love the wallpaper.
that wallpaper.
I love this. Oh, Darren Palmer.
Hey! 10 out of 10.
Darren Palmer has his own safe.
He's got his own side.
Classic Darren. Darren thinks it is a really resolved colour palette.
You've got all these little gold elements, the gold tap. It's just...
A room that feels like it belongs to the old part of the house, but has a nice contemporary feeling too.
Oh my God, another door.
Another door.
that door opens.
Oh, wow, this is huge.
This could be my life, but it's only words to make me feel right when the meaning's blurred. You've opened my eyes to the oldest tale of time.
Into the laundry, and the first impression was one of space, huge. Darren said,
I don't think they could have done anything better.
Well, you know what they have got? A drying cabinet, which I love.
Neil couldn't fault this room in any way.
House 4, Luke and Jasmin, have probably the most quintessentially Brighton, modern family home of all 5.
He believes the hallway, the powder room, and this laundry all belong together beautifully, and that's not something they've said a lot so far today.
This would actually grab a lot of buyers' attention. A lot of buyers' attention.
It's grabbed me.
Yes.
It's grabbed me.
But we've got to go through to the next stage.
Let's do it then.
Oh, I love that door. Absolutely love it.
So do I.
Ooh, wee.
Classic simplicity in bucket loads.
Yours was Shona's favourite staircase so far today. She really liked the painted risers with the oak treads.
And look at that beautiful black balustrade. That is stunning.
We've stood in spaces today that are larger than this, that feel more generous than this, but I don't think we've stood in any spaces that feel as resolved as this.
Hang on, I think there's another room down there. Let me have a look.
The storage space they found behind the secret door is a hidden gem.
I'm going in as well.
Oh my God, this is massive.
Darren is actually glad you ran out of time to varnish the stairs because you need to make sure you match it to the flooring colour when you do.
We need to take our time.
Yeah.
No traffic.
They all love the artwork by Matt.
You did a very good job.
It's exceptionally good.
We did say we saw a bit of share in there, but anyway.
Overall, Neil thinks this week's rooms in House 4 are going to speak to the eventual buyer.
It's a positive emotion. It's when you get excited about something because somebody has handed you the perfect blank canvas.
They're the ones who are going to dig deep on auction day. That's it.
Fingers crossed. Yay! Well done.